A very warm welcome to my channel Read and Learn. Read to lead. With this quote, you can analyze that today we are going to see about the topic reading. So yes, why reading is important? Why it is important to develop our reading skill? Relatively, all humans learn to talk before learning to read. As children, we are all taught to read aloud. This is because when we read aloud, it is stored in our memory lane. So when we vocalize it, it is stored in our mind. Reading helps us to develop speaking ability. So what can we do to improve our reading skill? So here are some tips that can help to improve our reading skill. Relatively, all humans learn to talk before learning to read. As children, we are taught to read it aloud. This is because when we read aloud, it is said that it is stored in our mind. Moving on, we will just have some activity. Try to read out these words. Try to read out these sentences. Now, try to read out this paragraph. So we can improve our reading skill with the help of some tricks. So the first trick is per day per page. So what is this concept of per day? It is always said that one has to invest their time wisely. Investing time in reading is very beneficial. Try to read at least one page in a day. You can read whichever books you like. It can be storybooks, magazines, newspaper, etc. So the next step is enjoy your reading. Very important concept of reading is to enjoy it. So how can I enjoy my reading? So here, as I said earlier, you have to select the book or a material that you like to read. So it is very important for us to be engrossed in a book or a magazine or something that I like to read. I can even arise question to myself after reading that book. How, when, why, even I can tell or enact that story to someone. In this way, you can be engrossed. My next step towards the better reading skill is in my pocket. Now, what is this in my pocket? You must have a dictionary with you every time when you start to read. So, when you are reading, mark important or a new word that you have explored in that particular story or a book that you were reading. So now, go and check out the meaning of that particular word from the dictionary. So, the next major step to improve your reading skill is ink it out. So, as I said earlier, you may come across many new words while you are reading. So, these new words can be explored with the help of dictionary. But is it practiced? It is not. So for that, you have to highlight that particular word with the help of highlighter or a pen. Now the next major step is focus eye. What is this focus eye? When we read, we always read a particular word. We don't focus on a particular sentence. We just focus on a particular word. So that is a wrong step for reading. You have to focus on a whole sentence. So this is one of the important point that has to be noted while reading. Next major and foremost important step is to apply. So generally we are reading books. We are exploring new words and we are even trying to find out the meaning of those new words, and we are inking it out, that we are highlighting the new words. Are we applying that new words in our regular use? No, we aren't. Hereby, we have to apply explored word in our regular speech. So you can start using those words when you are talking to your friends, when you are just try to write some articles. So in this way you can use it out. Now, how can I analyze that what are the factors to be a good reader? So we can analyze through these points. So 3 major points can decide that are you a good reader. That is speed, focus and apply. So when you are reading, are you maintaining a good speed? Then are you focusing on the thing that you are reading? And the foremost important thing is, are you applying that new words in your speech? So that is an important point to remember, that is generally different books with different genres require different time. So there is no constant in speed while you are reading book. Now, what is the benefit of good reading skill? So what are we going to gain through our reading skill? So this is always a question that I ask myself. It saves our time, it improves our vocabulary, it provides knowledge, it even enhances grasping power. So an important activity is awaiting for you. So here what you have to do is, you have to look over the sentence. Now find it out what it is. Can be. Hope you enjoyed the session. So don't forget to subscribe and share. Please do like the video.